Hey pals, I'm your storyteller, Mr. Peanut, and today I'll tell you the story of the plural S. Did you hear that people are struggling with writing plurals? But what are plurals? Plural means more than one. It means that they can write the word cow, which means only one cow, but if there is more than one cow, they don't know how to write that. We must solve this problem. What if I stand at the end of words to make them plural? We can tell people if they want to write a plural, add an S in the end. For example, if you have more than one cow, you can write cows with an S. Problem solved. Since that day, whenever one needs to write a plural, they add an S at the end, like in birds, goats, and cows.
But, pals, this story doesn't end here, because sometimes S feels scared at the end. And if you want to watch the next part of this story, stay tuned. And meanwhile, solve the activity pages in Spelling Stories with Mr. Peanut Part 2.